Hello again, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to plan your next road trip using BatchGeo. Instead of juggling notes or guessing where to stop, you can map out gas stations, restaurants, attractions, so you can focus on enjoying the journey. Start with a simple spreadsheet. Include location name, address, city, state, postal code, and a category column for types like gas, restaurant, or lodging. That category column is key. It lets you filter your map later, showing only the stops you need in the moment. Want quick links to driving directions? Add this formula in Excel to connect each stop to the next. What this does is take the address from one row, say stop 1, and connect it to the next row, stop 2. The result is a live Google Maps link that opens directions from one stop to the next. So if your spreadsheet is in trip order, you'll end up with a column full of links you can click to get turn-by-turn directions as you go. Next, copy your spreadsheet and paste it into BatchGeo.com. Click Set Options to confirm your columns, then Make Map. BatchGeo instantly plots every stop. You can filter by category, showing only restaurants or only gas stations. You can also number your stops in order, which is perfect for keeping your trip on track. For example, here's a route from Cheyenne, Wyoming to Yellowstone National Park, with food, fuel, and overnight stops all in one view. And that's how you plan a road trip map with BatchGeo. It's fast, it's visual, and it's powered by the Google Maps API for reliable data. If this video was helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and try it yourself today at BatchGeo.com.